Muli ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Maaari na po tayong umupo. Para sa panimulang bahagi ng ating programa, inaanyayahan po natin si Cagayan de Oro City Mayor Rolando Uy upang magbigay ng kanyang pambungad na talumpati.
His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez, members of the House of the Representatives, local government units, members of the Executive Office, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Una sa lahat, pasasalamatan po natin ang Panginoon sa panahong ito na tayo'y pinagsama para paigtingin ang mga pamaraan natin sa pagbigay ng serbisyo ng ating mamamayan. Let us thank the Lord for this fellowship and for bringing to us no less than the President of the Republic with his department secretaries to personally hear us out and to personally extend to us the direct services of the government. Public service is not an occupation, but it is a vocation. A public servant is not a position or a person holding a government position, but...
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Uy. Atin namang tawagin si Cagayan de Oro City 1st District Representative Attorney Lordan Suwan para sa kanyang mensahe.
Maayong hapon, Cagayan de Oro City. Napakalaking parangal po na may welcome natin ang ating mahal na Pangulo, His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. dito sa Cagayan de Oro City. Ito po ang una niyang pagbisita sa atin as President of our Republic. Nagpapasalamat din po tayo sa presensya ng ating Speaker of the House of Representatives, Speaker of the People, Ferdinand Martin Romualdez. Pati na rin ang ating mga Cabinet Secretaries, si Secretary Kiko Laurel ng Department of Agriculture, si Special Assistant to the President, Sir Anton Lagdameo, si Secretary Rex Gatchalian ng Department of Social Welfare and Development. At nagpapasalamat din po tayo sa presensya ng ating mga idol na governors, our very own Governor of Misamis Oriental, Governor Peter M. Unabia, si Governor XJ Romualdo of Camiguin, and Governor O'Neil Roque of Bukidnon. We would also like to thank the presence of our very own City Mayor, Mayor Rolando Clarix Uy, at ang ating Vice Mayor, si Vice Mayor Bebot Rodriguez, And all the city councilors, nandito po sila, pati na rin mga barangay captains natin. At syempre, nagpapasalamat din po tayo sa presensya ng ating mga matalik na kaibigan galing sa Kongreso. Si Congressman Bambi Imano, si Congressman Christian Unabia, and of course si Congressman Rufus Rodriguez. Pati na rin ang mahigit 50 congressman na nandito ngayon. Salamat po mga kongs sa panahon na binigay nyo sa Cagayan de Oro City to show us na tayong lahat sa Kongreso ay nagkakaisa upang ipakita sa taong bayan na tayo ay naglilingkod sa kanila. Sa totoo lang, mga kaigsuunan, ito po ang unang pagkakataon na ang Pangulo ng ating bansa ay bumisita dito sa Cagayan de Oro City upang magbigay ng ayuda. At hindi lang yan, maghatid ng serbisyo ng more than 200 programs from more than 30 national government agencies. The scope and magnitude of this program is unprecedented. Ito po ay nagpapakita ng tunay na pagkabayani at pagkadakila ng ating mahal na Pangulo. Kasi naman, wala pa tayong nakikitang President of the Republic na gumawa ng ganito para sa Cagayan de Oro City. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganito. So Mr. President, on behalf of the tens of thousands of people who will receive your ayuda today and tomorrow, and for the rest of the people of Cagayan de Oro City, please accept our humble and heartfelt gratitude. Mabuhay po kayo, Mr. President, at mabuhay po ang bagong Pilipinas.
Ating tawagin si Cagayan de Oro City 2nd District Representative Rufus Rodriguez para sa kanyang mensahe.
His Excellency President Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr., members of his cabinet, Secretary Jagdameo, Secretary Gatchalian, Secretary Laurel, our distinguished, our hardworking, judicious, strong leader of the House of the People, our Speaker, Martin Romualdez. My distinguished colleagues who are present here today, pakpakan nato ang mga congressmen to show their love for Cagayan de Oro. Our governors, our mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Clarix Uy, governors, mayors, kagawads, our vice mayor of Cagayan de Oro, Bebot Rodriguez, kagawads of Cagayan de Oro, our barangay captains and officials, our national government officials, maayong hapon kanatong tanan. Mr. President, the Filipino people, thank you for strengthening our relations with the United States of America, Japan, and other like-minded nations to protect the West Philippine Seas from any intrusion. We thank you, Mr. President, for stating that you will not give up an inch of Philippine territory to anybody. Thank you, Mr. President. We thank you, Mr. President, because you are supporting the initiative of our dear Speaker to put up and amend the economic provisions of our Constitution, because we need more foreign investments and more employment to our people of the Republic of the Philippines. And Mr. President, you know, you are the best salesman of our country. You have gone to foreign lands to be able to invite investors to come here to our country so that we're going to improve our situation of our people. Billions have already come here less than 2 years of your presidency. But if we amend the Constitution with the economic provisions, more billions will come here, Mr. President. Thank you for stating in the Philippine Constitutional Assembly, Philconsa, he said, read my lips, only economic provisions. Thank you, Mr. President. Third, Mr. President, we thank you for your program to make accessible to all Filipinos, available and affordable food. And you have issued executive orders. You have requested Congress. We're going to pass laws. You are succeeding in lowering the prices of basic commodities in our country today. And finally, this is not long, Mr. President. And finally, today, with more than 10,000 of our Cagayanons here, finally, lastly, we thank you, Mr. President, for the presidential assistance to farmers and fisherfolk. They are here today. Pakpakan nato ato makuguling. Today, they are going to receive from the President his ayuda to our farmers and fisherfolks who had been victimized by the El Nino phenomenon, drought all over Cagayan de Oro. And that is why the President is here, because all of you present here will receive 10,000 pesos directly from the President to help all of you. And tonight, Mr. President, tonight our farmers and fisher folks will kneel on their houses and thank the good Lord that thank you for giving us a compassionate president, a president with a big heart for the Filipino masses, the farmers and the fisher folks. Thank you, Mr. President. So therefore, to end my speech, thank you, Mr. President. Daghang salamat kanimo. Mabuhay ang Presidente sa Republika ng Pilipinas! Mabuhay si President Bongbong Marcos! Mabuhay kitang tanan. Daghang salamat. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.